using the distance formula. In this problem, we are to find the distance between these 2 points using the distance formula. Step 1. Mark x1, y1, x2, y2. So we're going to mark each point with the variable x1 and y1, x2 and y2. And you will see why we do this in the later step. Step 2. Substitute the values into the distance formula. Our distance formula says that the distance between 2 points is the square root of the difference in y square plus this difference in x square. And we need to differentiate these 2 points. Therefore, that's why we have x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now once we have our distance formula, we just simply substitute in the x1, y1 values and x2, y2 values. So y2 minus y1, y2 is 14, and y1 is 8, so 14 minus 8. x2 minus x1, x2 is 3, and x1 is negative 2. Now you gotta be careful here because it's x2 minus x1, so you're subtracting x1, and x1 is negative 2, so you subtract negative 2. Now this is a very important step that students tend to make the mistake of ignoring the negative. And finally, step 3, we evaluate our distance formula. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus negative 2. Whenever you subtract a negative, it becomes plus positive. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And 6 squared is 36. 5 squared is 25. 36 plus 25 is 61. And then we have the square root of. Now we cannot take a square root of 61 to get a whole number. So therefore, we can leave our answer as the square root of 61. Therefore, the distance between these 2 points is the square root of 61.